Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail account's password just in few steps. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, open your Gmail application and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Manage Your Account. It will take you to your Google account page. Click on Personal Info and scroll all the way down to Password section. Click on Password. To continue changing your password, you need to verify yourself by entering your password. Enter your password and confirm it by clicking on Show Password option, then click on Next. It will take you to the next page where you need to choose a new password for your account. Choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. Enter your new password and confirm it by re-entering it in another box. Make sure that you use at least 8 characters. Now tap on Change Password and your password will be changed. This is how you can change your Google account's password. If you have any thoughts or queries, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.